इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन। नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें। जब दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें तो इसके आगे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करें, फिर नया पेज लें और वापस से नंबर डालें। थैंक यू। हाँ, इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप 3 तरह से कर सकते हैं, स्लो स्पीड में, मीडियम स्पीड में और फास्ट स्पीड में। तीनों तरह के वीडियो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे।
Level 1. Page number 5. Medium speed. Before starting practice, please write down 1 to 28 numbers to write answers, so in the end you can check your answers and progress. Start. Question number 1. Start. 5 minus 5. 3. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 2. Start. 5 1 1 minus 2. 4. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 3. Start. 4 minus 3. 2. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 4. Start. 5 1 minus 5. 2 5. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 5. Start. 3 1 minus 1. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 6. Start. 3 1 minus 2 minus 2. 5. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 7. Start. 3 minus 1 minus 2. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 8. Start. 1 2 minus 1. 5 minus 2. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 9. Start. 1 5 2. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 10. Start. 3 1 5 minus 1 minus 5. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 11. Start. 5 1 minus 5. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 12. Start. 2 2 minus 2. 5 minus 1. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 13. Start. 2 minus 1. 3. Answer is right, your answer. Question number 14 start. 4 minus 2 5 minus 1 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 15 start. 4 minus 4 5. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 16 start. 2 2 minus 3 5 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 17 start. 5 1 1. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 18 start. 4 minus 2 5 minus 1 3. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 19 start. 4 minus 1 minus 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 20 start. 2 2 minus 1 5 minus 1. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 21 start. 5 2 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 22 start. 5 2 1 1 minus 3. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 23 start. 3 5 minus 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 24 start. 1 5 minus 1 3 minus 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 25 start. 5 2 2. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 26 start. 4 minus 2 1 minus 1 5. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 27 start. 4 minus 2 5. Answer is right. Your answer. Question number 28 start. 5 2 minus 5 minus 2 3. Answer is right. Your answer. Please check your answers. Start. Question number 1. Answer is 3. Question number 2. Answer is 9. Question number 3. Answer is 3. Question number 4. Answer is 8. Question number 5. Answer is 3. Question number 6. Answer is 5. Question number 7. Answer is 0. Question number 8. Answer is 5. Question number 9. Answer is 8. Question number 10. Answer is 3. Question number 11. Answer is 1. Question number 12. Answer is 6. Question number 13. Answer is 4. Question number 14. Answer is 8. Question number 15. Answer is 5. Question number 16. Answer is 8. Question number 17. Answer is 7. Question number 18. Answer is 9. Question number 19. Answer is 1. Question number 20. Answer is 7. Question number 21. Answer is 9. Question number 22. Answer is 7. Question number 23. Answer is 6. Question number 24. Answer is 6. Question number 25. Answer is 9. Question number 26. Answer is 7. Question number 27. Answer is 7. Question number 28. Answer is 3. Congratulations. Please check more practice video in description. This audio file was created by Panopreader Basic. You can download it at panopreader.com.